So today I want to share with you how to make a simple yet tasty roasted pork loin in the crock pot. So all you need to do is follow the cooking instructions on the back of the packet. I got this pork loin at my local grocery store. It was already seasoned. So all I do with this is take it out of the packaging, place it into my crock pot, and to this I add in 1 can of golden mushroom soup, as well as 1 can of the soup just filled with water and poured in to dilute the contents. Now you may need to add 2 to 3 of the soup cans full of water, but just allow this to cook for a couple of hours, and once it is thoroughly cooked, you have a delicious family dinner paired with some homemade dressing. Hope you enjoy.